wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi. Megalodon.
Whoa.
Megalodon loves to cook.
Megalodon. What else do you have in your bag?
Tiger.
Whoa, Tiger Monster Truck.
Tiger.
Yeah. Which one's that one?
Wheel.
Oh,
Wheels.
is that a dinosaur monster truck?
This one.
Whoa, what's that?
Autobots, transform!
Is that a robot toy dinosaur? Wow, that's cool. Daddy's got this one.
Wait, that's the car.
Six and a half hours later.
What happened to Megalodon?
Oh no! I crashed out the ride.
You crashed it on the road.
Yeah, I can't come and crash my Megalodon.
Alright.
He rolled it down because he broke the camera. Now he broke his.
Who's the best?
Me!
Daddy?
No, me!
Is Daddy gonna win?
Yeah. No,
Is
me.
Bronson gonna win?
Yeah.
What about Sonny? Is Sonny gonna win?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! So do you want to try that car, son?
Yeah. I want to see how it goes fast.
Alright. Go!
Thank you for watching, guys. We've been watching. Bye.